All right, well, here we are. I'm just gonna make this an episode because I'm getting this Ranger fixed up since I'm using this until I get this truck done. But I'm meeting with the guy who's building the Cummins for that on Monday, and just lost my screwdriver. I'm just gonna bedline this truck for right now. And then I'm gonna put a toolbox in here and everything. My goal is to keep this truck for a long time, so just get up that last little bit of water in that crack with some carb cleaner. You're supposed to use gloves with this stuff because it's supposed to be hard to get off your hands. So let's see if I can do this without getting it on my hands. So far, so good. Put this back here. I'm gonna do the tailgate as well. So I just put tape over all these. That way, if I ever have to take the bed off for some reason, then I'm not gonna fill up those bolts with this paint here. And I'm just using the ℏ𝐸𝐵 stuff because you can roll it on, and I don't have a spray gun. So let's see if we can get this mixing up. Surely that's good enough. I'm gonna put this down on the sidewalk here. Well, not the sidewalk, just the curb, the edge of the road, so I don't drip this all over everything. And Mac boy, don't touch that, it's yucky. Now we'll get to painting this thing. I'm just gonna start in the corners and stuff and then start rolling this on. I'm just gonna start in the corners and stuff and then start rolling this on. Yep, don't touch. It's yucky. I think it's supposed to be like 2 layers at least, so. Alright, the bed of these trucks are aluminum, I think, so they don't really rust, but the paint's kind of chipped off and it's white. It burns my eyes every time I look in here, and I'm going to throw tools around back here eventually, so just going to go ahead and get this like it's supposed to be. Not quite sure what they want me to do with this. Maybe pour it out, roll it. Got some on my finger that I wasn't supposed to do. Alright, let's see how that does. My concern is I don't know how long it takes this stuff to dry, so I'm trying to hurry, but maybe I don't have to. Cramping up my hand. All right, it's been about 10 minutes and quarter of the way done with this bed here, third, and we'll do the tailgate as well. So this first one's supposed to be like a primer. Again, I'm just not sure how long until it completely dries, so whatever. Should have wore gloves though. I definitely made a mess on my hands. My pants. See how much more that gets us. I don't like painting, but I'm excited to get this done and get this truck bed how I like it, fixed up with its toolbox and everything. Alright, time to finish this up. Now I'm just going to put the rest of this liner in there and spread it around. I know it doesn't dry that fast, so now I'm just going to spread it around first. About like that. Do the same thing on that side. We may need more. I'm going to try and use this whole can. Try not to get it all over my hands this time. Go like halfway across right here. Alright, that's a job well done. It looks good. I didn't have enough to finish the tailgate with 2 coats, but I literally had just enough to finish everything all the way down to the very last corner when I had like the last 2 little scoops of paint left. So it looks good. The sun's shining on it at a weird angle, so it's hard to tell. It's the sun setting over there. But everything, you know, that second layer went on thick. And yeah, I definitely know how to do it better next time. But I don't have any complaints. It went on just perfect. I would save just a little bit for the tailgate, but it's got 1 coat. And I think they said don't even do it anyways, so they probably didn't intend for you to paint that much in the kit anyways, but it came out great, exactly how I wanted it, and that's a job well done. Nice. All right, that's what I wanted.